Prepare a PHO*60 screwdriver in advance for replacing the optical fiber splicer clamp. During replacement, loosen one screw and gently wiggle the clamp to remove it. When installing the new clamp, ensure the opening faces the screen and aligns the outer circular hole with the splicer's metal post. After replacing the clamp, perform an automatic calibration of the machine. For calibration, prepare test fibers and place them in the clamp according to splicing requirements. Navigate to the Splicer menu. Select the Maintenance menu. Maintenance, then choose OK to start automatic calibration. Step 1. Lead calibration. Select Splice in the top right corner to begin calibration. Step 2. Dust check. Select Splice in the top right corner to start detection. Step 3. Adjust position. Select Splice in the top right corner to initiate calibration. Step 4. Motor calibration. Select Splice in the top right corner to start calibration. Wait for motor calibration approximately 3 minutes. Step 5. Stabilize electrodes. Select Splice in the top right corner to begin calibration. Wait for discharge testing to complete approximately 2 minutes. After Step 5, replace the fiber and proceed to Step 6. Step 6. Our calibration. Select Splice in the top right corner to start calibration. Calibration is successful, and the splicer can be used normally afterwards.